Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You're already signed in, so go to Mail. Google. And click your profile picture in the top right, then choose Manage your Google account. Once done, open the Security tab on the left to access sign-in options and recovery methods. Make sure you have your current password and recovery phone or email handy. These confirm identity. This step begins the account update process and prevents lockouts, so verify that recovery contacts are correct before moving on to editing personal info or security settings. Now update the details you need. In personal info, change your name, birthday, or contact email so notifications reach you. Then go back to security to change your password. Choose a strong, unique passphrase and store it safely. Enable two-step verification for better protection. Use an authenticator app or phone prompt. Also review third-party apps with account access and recent security events. Revoke anything unfamiliar. These actions close gaps and ensure both identity and sign-in methods reflect your current preferences. Finish by saving all changes and then sign out from devices you no longer use. Go to your devices in security and remove them. Make sure Gmail syncs if you use desktop clients, update app passwords, or reauthorize clients as needed. Test everything. Send and receive an email and log in again to confirm updates took effect. If something fails, clear your browser cache or try an incognito window, and if locked out, run Google's account recovery flow using the recovery phone or email you verified earlier.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.